are the 8s? Okay, so in my Wolf of Wall Street class, it is a 12-week course. Okay, 12 weeks long. We meet every single Sunday for 2-3 hours. Okay, over the course of 12 weeks, I spend 8 of those weeks teaching specific recipes of how to make money in the stock market. Okay, so on week 1, you're going to learn one recipe. In week 3, you're going to learn another recipe. Now, these are, think of, when I say recipe, I want you to think of a list of instructions that all you have to do is follow the instructions so that you can make money. Think of it like that. I teach 8 of them. 1 in week 1, 1 in week 3, 1 in week 5, 1 in week 6, 1 in week 7, 1 in week 8, 1 in week 9, and then in week 11 and 12. Okay, my next class is starting July 23rd, I think it is. That's Sunday. Okay, so that's why it's a 12-week course, and you're going to learn 8 different recipes. And a recipe is simply a list of instructions that you follow so that you can cook, right? Recipe, cook, make something. Okay, cool. So she learns the ones that she picked out. She picked out this one and she picked out this one out of all the 8 and said, I'm going to use this one and this recipe to make my money. Cool. Then from the profit that she made using this one and this one, she took that money and jumped over using this other recipe. And that's how she got the money so that she could make the $20,000. I was absolutely scared about 30 contracts. Either go big. I thought so. Either go big or go home. I was like, this sounds like go big or go home. That's one of my strategies. That's what I named it. I named my shit what I want to name my shit. Sorry. So I have different names for my recipes, okay? One of those names is go big or go home. I call it that for a reason, okay? So she was I'm going for it. I love it. Absolutely love it. So so 8 strategies, recipes, okay? And you get to decide in those 12 weeks which one of those is the best one for you, okay? Some people have a whole lot of money. They might like recipe number 2. Some people got a little bit of money. They might like recipe number 6. Some people got a whole lot of time to sit in front of a computer screen. They might like recipe number 4. Some people got a little bit of time to sit in front of a computer screen because they got a job. You might use recipe number 1. Okay, so there's different recipes based on your personality, how much money you have or don't, how much time you have or don't. Recipes for everybody. That's why I give so much, because I know I'm a teacher. So I know different learning styles. I know there's different personality styles. I know there's different things.